In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk move contacts to another list constant contact. This is a helpful workflow when you need to reorganize your audience, move people into a new campaign list, or group contacts based on a new tag or interest. The key idea is that you will select your contacts in bulk, then use the Actions menu to add them to the list you want. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account and go to the main navigation. Click Contacts. This opens your contact management area, where you can view and manage everyone in your account. Next, you will select all of the contacts you want to move. At the top of the contact table, find the top checkbox and check it. This selects the contacts currently shown on the page. In many cases, Constant Contact will then display a prompt or link that lets you expand your selection to include every contact in that view. If you see an option that says Select All followed by a number of contacts, click it. This is important because it ensures you are selecting the full set, not just the first page of results. Before you continue, take a second to confirm your selection count, especially if you filtered your contacts beforehand. For example, if you are working from a specific segment or a search result, you want to be sure you are adding only the contacts you intended. Once your contacts are selected, go to the top of the page and click Actions. From the drop-down menu, choose Add to List. This opens the list selection window. Now select the destination list, which is the list you want these contacts to be added to. If you have several lists with similar names, slow down and double-check that you are choosing the correct one. When you are ready, click Add to confirm. Give Constant Contact a moment to apply the change, especially if you are working with a large number of contacts. After it finishes, you can verify the result by opening the destination list and confirming that your contacts now appear there. That covers everything you need to know.